During the pandemic, we're sharing this special video each month to honor outstanding staff members. Today, we're pleased to recognize February's Excel Employee of the Month. The winner of this award is Paige Mouchett. She is the OB program coordinator for Women's and Children's in the Women's and Children's Division. Paige has been a member of the SMH team since 2015, and I'd like to share several comments that her peers made about her nomination. You ready for this? They're all talking about you now, okay? I think they're probably okay, but you never know, all right? Paige has an amazing attention to detail and is one of the most forward-thinking people you'll ever meet. She's extremely resourceful and always comes up with creative ways to solve issues. Paige is a wonderful example of a team player, and she doesn't hesitate to take on new roles and responsibilities. She worked across 3 different units in her division early in the pandemic and served on night shifts as an MST on Mother-Baby unit for 3 months. Paige oversees several communication channels in her position. She does an excellent job of coordinating pediatric and OB medical department meetings, as well as multiple committees and task force. Her knowledge of IT has been instrumental during and throughout the pandemic as we transition from in-person childbirth education to tours to virtual formats. That's a lot of stuff, right? Are you tired? Yeah. Paige's great work extends throughout the community. For example, she recently took charge of NICU's annual support for a Children's First family, and through her efforts, the family had a wonderful holiday season. Paige, you do so much. I don't know how you can do that in 24 hours a day, but it's amazing.
Plan it ahead for sure.
We all greatly appreciate everything you do. We appreciate you being part of our community, part of our SMH team, and most of all, how you take care of our patients each and every day.
Thank you so much.
So we have our Excel Award-winning plaque, okay, and I just want to read it to you real quick. Excel recipients are employees who are models of excellence and consistently demonstrate the mission, vision, and values of our organization. They are superior performers that make an extra effort in the quality of care of our patients and our families in the community. The hospital board and administrative staff of Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System recognizes you, Paige Mouchett, with an Excel Award for the month of February 2021, and it's signed by myself as President and CEO of that system and our board chair, Mr. Jim Meister. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm still very much in shock. I'm very impressed, though, that this was pulled off and all this wonderful surprise. Thank you so much to everyone, and especially my wonderful boss, Pam Beitlick, and my other boss, of course, from the beginning, Mary O'Connor, who has helped me from as early as I started my internship through NICU, childbirth ed, and now into this OB program support role. So, you know, I couldn't do without everyone, and definitely kind of what David said, with the pandemic, we already were a family, but I mean, it really brought everyone even closer, and just, you know, everyone came together. So I feel very fortunate to work here, and thank you so much.
I want to thank everyone for taking a moment to share our celebration of Paige today and all of our Excel employees each and every month. I do want to remind everyone who's watching this video to please stay socially distanced, wear a mask when you're in public, wash your hands a lot, and as soon as you're able, take the vaccine. We are all looking forward to getting back to our whatever our new normal is, but as fast as we possibly can. Thank you, everyone, for taking time to watch us once again.